All right, y'all. So as y'all can see in the title, why I'm so upset with MAC right now. I feel like there was a level of disrespect. Like, I honestly feel disrespected. Like, y'all gonna see why. So I went and purchased the whole Aaliyah collection. I zoomed out a little bit, y'all. I went and purchased the whole Aaliyah collection. Probably runs about $200 and something. If you purchase it at MAC, over $75, you will receive a poster, which this is the poster here. If you order through MAC website, Macy's, or Nordstrom, if you order over $75 worth of merchandise, you will receive a Aaliyah bandana. Okay, so I went into MAC and ordered. I went into MAC and Macy's, both of them actually, for my own personal reasons, and got the whole collection. Now here is the whole collection, like I said, and here you have Age Ain't Nothing. Okay, and I feel like the only good job MAC did with this whole collection was the packaging. Like, I love purple. Purple's my favorite color, which, I mean, that has nothing to do with me. I'm just saying, or Aaliyah, I don't know, maybe purple was her favorite color. I'm not sure actually, but I love the packaging with her signature on it, and it looks really sleek and clean. It's beautiful. My overall issue is with the actual products itself. Okay, so Age Ain't Nothing is this palette. You know, it's very, very small. This retails for like $32. These colors, okay, like, I don't know if y'all can hear them, but you know, I'm gonna need you to be quiet. We're having a session right now. These colors, to me, aren't that pigmented. They just aren't. I have palettes in my drawer right now that are way more pigmented and creamy than this, and I know MAC could do a really good job, and in person they just don't give me life at all. I'm so upset. Like, y'all, last night while I was trying to create and come up with something in my head, I'm sitting here looking at all the Aaliyah photos that where she wore makeup, because Aaliyah was a minimalist. She didn't even wear that much makeup, and it's like I couldn't even get the right colors. Everybody's doing the try again video, you know what I'm saying? And even in that video, I'm seeing blue in her eyeshadow. There is no blue in this palette. I don't know who was the creative director. I heard her brother had something to do with helping this collection, which, I mean, of course, he knows his sister. At the same time, he is a male. I don't know. I heard maybe Missy has something to do with it too, as far as helping pick out the colors or maybe the names. I'm not sure. All her creative input on it. But anyway, I'm going to continue. But I was like about to fucking cry last night because I just felt so uninspired. And I waited so long to get this collection. And y'all don't understand, like, okay, I'll get into that story anyway. So, like I said, this is the palette. These are the colors up close. Okay, like I said, the pigmentation isn't that great on them. All right, I'm not gonna swatch all of these, you guys. I'm just not. I'm sorry. The next thing that I'm gonna talk about is the Baby Girl bronzer. Okay, it comes like this. It looks very pretty. I hope y'all can see it. It has a shimmery color to it. Another thing, her eyeshadow palette doesn't have a mirror, but the bronzer does. I don't know who created idea was that, but yeah. So the thing about this that pissed me off more than anything in this whole collection, this doesn't show up on anyone. Like, if this shows up on you, please comment below. Like, this is so sheer. It's so sheer, you guys. Like, I'm gonna try to use a light part of my body. This is like the lightest part of your body where your arm is underneath. I'm gonna swatch it again just so I can try to come. Some of it could try to come up. I wonder, can y'all see that? Like a spot. I think you might see a spot right here. Who is this for? I need answers, Mac. I really need answers. Like, I'm so upset where I almost feel like I'm not gonna shop at Mac again. Because we can't wear this. Bronzing, it says a bronzing powder. Black women can't wear this. Aaliyah couldn't wear this. Who is this for? Like, that's my only question. Who's this for, Mac? Could you email me? Could you comment below? Seriously. This shit pissed me off. This really pissed me off right here. You made this for a black woman. You know that, right? Even like women of other ethnicities. Who can wear this? Anyway, I can keep going about this, but we're not gonna talk about it. Not gonna talk about that anymore. All right, so also in the collection, we have 2 lip liners. Okay. This one is called Follow Your Heart. It's red. You know MAC, they love to do red for everybody, but okay. It's red. Like I said, the packaging is gorgeous. Whoever's creative director over packaging, you get an A+. And then we also have Nevermore. And Nevermore is like a plum blackish color. This is the color at the top. All right. And then there's 4 lip glosses. I'm going to swatch those for y'all too. I'm going to use this hand. Okay. So we have Brooklyn Born. Brooklyn Born is almost, it's like a nude, glittery shimmer color. It's here. I don't know if y'all can hear that rain, but it's going ham right now. Okay. Next we have Motor City, which is like a pink color. These are all lip glosses, y'all. That rain is really going ham right now. It's here. All right, next we have One in a Million. Your love is a, okay, it's like a purplish color, purplish burgundy color here. All right, and then last but not least, we have At Your Best You Are, dot, dot, dot. I was about to say, they better at least get this queen 3 dots. I was about to get real pissed. Okay, it's like a raspberry color at the bottom. These are the colors. Okay. Then there's 4 lipsticks. 4 burgundy bullets. This one's called Try Again. Okay, hope y'all can see that. A nude, it's like a nude brownish color. Hot Like. I'm gonna give y'all one guess what this color looks like. One guess. There's a red. I really wish they would have did a matte red. Okay, that's just my personal opinion. They did this red. Next we have More Than a Woman. Again, the raspberry color. And last we have Street Thing. Shimmery black color, a little iridescent in there. All right. That's the whole collection. This is the lipsticks, lip glasses. All right. This is the look that I created, and I'm going to insert a picture. There's also going to be a link above so you can get this look. This was the most inspired that I felt by this collection. The glossy lids, I hope they didn't get too messed up because, you know, glossy lids, to me, it's not really a thing that I would wear all day long. But the glossy lids, the neutral lip, the solid face, not too much contour. I actually I attempted to put on some of the bronzer, and you can't even see it on my skin. So I also have that on. You guys, I'm so sad. Like, I literally, like, if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me now, Ari Marie. But I literally was up at, I went by the store at 4 a.m. because I was told that people may camp out. So I went to this, you know, I rode by the store to make sure nobody was camping out, whatever. Then after that, I came back at 7 a.m. The store opened at 10. Nobody was there. 8, nobody was there. 9, nobody was there. 9:30, people, you know, well, a few people started to show up at 9. And I just sat there and I waited and I waited and I waited, and I really wanted this collection. I love Aaliyah. She's so iconic. I could only imagine the things she would have done if she were still alive. And I hate to say this, but this is my personal opinion. This collection is trash. Like, I almost want to petition for them to do something else. Mac, I'm gonna need you to stop having shades of lipstick and just slightly changing them and then putting somebody's name on it so it can sell. Like, I feel like you guys should do this over, to be honest. And that has nothing to do with my love for Aaliyah, because I love Aaliyah, and that's why I feel like they need to stop playing her. I was surprised that the lines weren't even long. Like, the lines were extremely long for Selena collection. And I feel like they're not showing my girl no love, and like, that makes me want to cry. Like, that literally makes me want to cry. Like, even her movie that came out, you know what I'm saying? I heard Wendy Williams had something to do with her movie. I don't know who the hell was, I don't know, I don't stay in the loop like that about everything, but who the hell was Wendy Williams to Aaliyah? I feel like that was everybody's questioning. And then it came out on Lifetime. Like, stop playing her, please stop playing her. Like, her movie needs to be done over, her collection needs to be done over. Bruh, I don't cry because I feel close, and I feel like she deserves a level of respect that she's not receiving. So anyway, that is her whole collection, y'all. I'm not saying to not go out and support it. Go out and support it. Get something from her collection, whether it's, you know, some lipsticks, some lip glosses. I wouldn't recommend this bronzer to nobody. I wouldn't recommend this eyeshadow palette to nobody. I'm gonna just keep that 1,000. Like, yeah. So anyway, from the collection below, if you have purchased it, let me know what was your favorite item out of the whole collection. For me, I would definitely have to say it's Try Again, the nude lip. And I really love the lip glass and the Brooklyn Born. These two together are very beautiful. That's what I'm wearing now, with a little bit of Motor City right here in the lip to give it that effect of the picture that inspired me to do this look. And that's it, you guys. I hope I didn't offend anyone. I'm never trying to offend anyone. But I just have to give my honest review about the collection. My page, I'm always going to be honest. Like, I'm never going to sugarcoat anything because that ain't how I live my real life. So, yeah, I hope y'all love it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. And again, tell me what you think below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Until next time.